Something we've been talking about for over a year now. Amazon moving away from Android on the Fire TV devices and moving to Vega with the upcoming Fire TV stick. So this seems like it's gonna happen as early as next week when Amazon releases their new devices for the year. So we're gonna jump into the details. Of course, if you're new to the channel, subscribe, smash the notification bell. Let's go. All right, so jumping right into it, this is coming from 9to5 Google, and I have mentioned this on a previous video. We know that Amazon do have their annual event releasing their new devices. It is happening in New York City, I believe, but this is happening next week. So today's the 25th, happening next week, and it's rumored that Amazon will announce their new Fire TV stick not having Android as an operating system, and we know what the ramifications from that is. The title of this one is Report: Amazon may replace Android on Fire TV with Vega OS starting next week. Of course, this is from 9to5 Google. I'll leave the link to the full article in the description. So it goes on to say it's finally time. After years of rumors, reports, and plenty of evidence, Amazon is reportedly gearing up to announce Vega OS as its replacement for Android on Fire TV next week. As reported by Lopez on Vega, Amazon apparently going to announce Vega OS as the Android replacement for their Fire TV devices next week. The company announced a September event last week, and that's what I was saying. We did know the event possibility, but just confirmations, just making it more real. While Amazon isn't commenting officially just yet on the switch to Vega OS, the company did accidentally confirm that we'll see the OS in action before the end of 2025. In a job listing that's since been altered, the Prime Video Fire TV organization is seeking an engineering leader that will help in building a Vega OS product that will delight customers worldwide. Now, with the app launching in 2025, you'll get to shape the future of the product as well as the culture of the team. All right, so job listing that I guess they pulled down. All right, so we see some of the references here: the Fire TV team, key responsibilities, Prime Videos. In this role, you will routinely work with product managers, UX designers, program managers, software engineers. All right. Salary for that is not too bad. Vega OS has been in the works for a while now, with the 2023 report having first revealed that Amazon is working to ditch Android, and Amazon have already been testing the new OS for a while too. Earlier this year, Amazon's effort to work with publishers regarding the all new apps for the platform was also brought to light. Today's report also reiterates that Amazon has no plans to bring Vega to existing Fire TV devices, so it will be for quite a while before Amazon fully moves from Android on the TV. As such, Amazon has still been working on new Android updates for existing hardware. So again, that's good to know that current devices are not going to be updated to Vega. However, the new devices will, and what we'll see over time is as time passes, they'll push updates and they'll push updates until a certain point in time where those devices will no longer be supported and you're forced to make a choice. So that's how it normally works. So meanwhile, Amazon is also reportedly set to fully embrace Android in its Fire tablet lineup, doing away with its forked Fire OS. Though the same report mentioned that Amazon may still offer a selection of low price tablets using Vega OS instead. What do you think of Amazon's plan? Again, for me, for us that's been paying attention, this is not new. We've been gearing up for it, but just having that date set, we know that something big is being announced in a couple days, and that's going to be it. It does put everything into perspective, but I think a lot of folks are already prepared for the move to Vega OS. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section. Does this really matter to you? I know my comments are filled up with folks saying that they no longer use the Fire TV devices. However, folks are still using Fire TV devices. I see the interactions when a Fire TV video is posted. That's all I have for this one. Of course, if you're new to the channel, subscribe, smash the notification bell. Thank you for watching, and I'll catch you on the next one.